Alright, I just did a whole bunch of taping. Didn't realize the battery wasn't working. But anyways, I'm down here at the beach. I'm not going to do my house. On the way down here, tons of people. It's like more than a summer day. Look at, there's people on this beach. And this beach there isn't usually people on. But they're everywhere. But anyways, before I get started, my backpack broke. So I'm back to my old Core backpack. Sturdy though. Look at this. This river had worked down this sand here, so maybe we can find something right here. Let's go see what that is first. I had to go up those stairs right there. I mean, I had to come down them. I had to go up them. Oh, look. What is this? Hello. Huh. There's a ladder in there. But anyways, this water come out of here and it's taking down the sand. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get anything. Let's get at it. I don't know if I told you guys this. On the walk down here, I taped the whole thing and my camera wasn't even working. So this is my old camera. Luckily I brought it. But here's the sound. Kind of broken up sound. If I were to guess, I'd say penny sound. So you guys are gonna probably hear me breathing because I'm on my old setup. I was right. It is a penny. Old one. Cool. Let's go. I noticed there's a cut down there, so I'm kind of excited to get down there. But I'm just going to do the whole beach. Another sound. It's not very good, but gotta dig it. Now it's sounding better. What the heck? There was a round spot there. Like it was the indent of a coin. I'm pretty sure. The indention, whatever it's called. So it's got to be in here if there's one. What the heck? I guess there isn't one. I didn't get down there far enough. Old beat up penny. Yep, it's not a weedy. Let's keep going. We're just still in that riverbed. Unbelievable. I can't believe all these people are out. I was like trying to stay home. But this is my job. I need to be out here. That was probably a coin. It's funny because my camera is right by my mouth. Now that I'm on my old setup. Let's try that. That might be something. Whatever it is. It's nothing. Oops, I forget my camera's not pointed down. And I lost it. Of course. I know one of you guys said, yeah, I was watching your video and the target got stuck to your scoop. That does happen. And then I don't see it, especially if it's nothing. Well, I lost that target. Here, I'll take one more scoop on it just in case. Sometimes you get them pushed down too deep. No, it's lost. Completely lost. What the heck? How does that happen? You never know. Alright, I got a penny sound. There's not very many targets. Some really good cuts. Like the beach looks really good. So I'm thinking somebody probably has hit this beach. But they can't find everything. There's a penny. Here's where I'm at. I'm headed that way. Oh, my camera's loose. There's a nice line cut around there. The tide is going down right now. So let's see if we can get anything. This sounds pretty good. Quarter dime. I think it's still in there. Yep. Alright, we got it. It is a quarter. Alright. Let's keep going. There's some cool looking tide pools right down there. I should go down there. Well, I already took a scoop on this one, but 30, 29 should be a quarter. Should be. A deep one. Now it's just sounding like a penny. Yep, it is just a penny. I'll double check my hole. Here's an 18. Solid. Still solid. I like solid numbers. Even if it's a pull tab. It's still a solid number. There's some guys out on their paddle boards right now. I don't even have wetsuits on. Wow, that means they had to carry him all the way down here on those stairs. Nice quarter sound. Wow. Seems way bigger than a quarter, it sounds like. Jeez, maybe it's a can. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Let's open up the hole. Oh, we got it. Maybe it is just a quarter. No. That's weird. It's like I almost lost it. That was such a loud sound. What the heck? I'm checking my scoop. How could have I lost that? Oh, there it is. That was weird. Yeah, it's a quarter for sure. Keep going.
17.
17. Have you ever tried metal detecting before?
No. What do you do?
It's pretty cool. See that chain on your neck? That's what I'm looking for.
Really? You want this?
Yep.
7K.
Whoa, that's pretty nice.
Yeah, I got it for my 16th birthday.
Yeah.
All down there. I got it with my earrings.
Earrings are fake.
My earrings aren't fake.
They're not?
100% fake. Have you found anything or not?
Not today. Not yet. I found some coins.
Do you live in Laguna?
Huh?
Do you live in Laguna?
No.
Where do you live?
Corona. The coronavirus.
Coronavirus. He lives in Corona.
Norco.
Narco. That's far. Why'd you come out here? Hey,
It's my job.
Aunt
I do YouTube.
off Green River.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Are you famous?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Follow me on TikTok, RobBoy5.
There you go.
Wait, what's your channel?
It's Robert Ferguson.
Hey, my name's Robert.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, his name's Robert too. Yeah, ready? You have to open it.
All right. Oh. Go, go, go. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh, there you go. Oh, man. That's money, man. He has to go pick up his trash now. I was going to get it for him. I was going to pick it up for him.
We did it with her. It's not an us sort of thing, it's more of a sort of...
Some lady on the beach yelled at him.
Okay, tell him not us.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, tell him not us.
We'll start them all at the end. Trust me.
We got another sound here. We got old dime.
Ring?
Another dime.
Oh, just dime.
Yeah. Hey, bro, your mom left. Where'd she go?
That's not my mom. Oh, that
Oh, I thought that was your mom. She's telling you to pick up your can. He picked up his can out of the tree, so you guys don't think he's littering.
I'm down.
They tried to trick me. They threw a chain in the sand, and it was fake. His chain.
Yes, sir. Real fake it till you make it. Let's get it.
It's all right. Is that the last one?
That's brew.
You're gonna shotgun it? Nah, you don't want to waste it. Make it last.
Make it last.
Don't flip on the camera this time.
Lifeguard, lifeguard.
Lifeguard.
No.
Wow.
All right, we got trying out by the water now. Got 11, 12. I wish it would just stay 11. Because 12 is usually full tab. Alright, we should have it now. Yeah, solid 12. Darn it. Well, maybe it's something different. Oh, it's a nickel. Alright. Good deal. Go ahead and dig this one. Look at how beautiful it is. Just, I mean, beautiful. But I was saying I'm gonna go ahead and dig this one, and then I'm just gonna dig them and then show you for now on. This is probably nickel. I'm thinking. I'm not sure. It's ringing up weird. Alright, maybe we got it. Yeah, 13. Had a feeling. That's our second nickel close to the water. So I'm thinking this is a little low spot right here that I'm doing. But over there's a better low spot. So hopefully we'll get something. But I'm just going to show you guys what I find now. I'm not doing live digs unless it's like a 11 or something, you know. Look at that little tiny baby key. And it's not broken. Huh. Look at that one. That's like a penny wore down to nothing. I'll never figure out what that is. There's still like a ton of people down here. I've actually never seen this beach this crowded. Ever. It's crazy. Got a good sound here. I've been digging a lot of change still. Perfect 11:10. Let's see what it is. It's trash, I think. If that's it. You know, I haven't dug a piece of aluminum like that yet. Oh well. I've been finding a lot of wore down coins. Look at that piece of sea glass. Pretty cool. Alright. I'm getting ready to take off. But I thought I'd show you guys this tide pool here. I've already detected it. But you can see the swimming area. Well, I wouldn't call it swimming, but walk wading pool. See? Kind of cool. I saw some little fish. There's some really big mussels on those rocks. So if you're foraging, you can get some mussels right there. I'm walking up right where the waves hit. Right there. If a wave comes right now, I'm done for. So let's get a view over here. Check it out. Pretty nice, huh? This would be a place to go fishing. Except it's been raining for the past couple days. I wouldn't go fishing right now. Or I wouldn't keep the fish anyways. Look at the beach. So many people. I mean, this beach doesn't usually get this many people. It's crazy. Get right down the coast here. It's all like this. People jump off those cliffs over there. They've died off them too, jumping. Well, pretty much all cliffs. If you jump off a cliff, you have a chance of dying. So there's that. All right. Probably gonna head back now. The tide's starting to come back up. I think I got a lot of change. We'll check when I get home. The walk of shame. There's the stairs I'm going to be going up. There's the beach. Say goodbye. One last view of the people. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I'm looking at the rules. No alcohol, no fires, no glass. Oh, looks fine for fishing. Maybe we'll try fishing down here one time. Not today though. All right, it is wrap up time. We got, oh, is that a penny? Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pennies. Some of them are kind of still wore down. Oh, that's a dime. That's a dime. So, you know, 12 minus 1. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quarters. 9 quarters. We got our piece of glass. Pretty cool. And here's another piece I thought was pretty cool, so I picked it up. 2 pennies that are wore down to nothing. These things are just little nubs. I mean, compare them next to a real penny and you can see the difference. Those things are wore down to nothing. Part of a key, a whole key, a little tiny one, and another part of one, and another. No, this is a part of a car, and we got 2 cars. I did not show those, but there they are. I'm showing them now. And we got trash. Trash. What a beautiful day. I'm so glad I went. We've had this terrible weather lately. It's been rainy and stuff. Really strange out on the roads right now. Really strange. But heck, I wish I can go down there like that every time. I don't know if I showed you this, but I got all my pools set up now. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one is planted already with corn. None of those other ones are planted. We got our seedlings coming up here. I showed you guys that already. I'll show you again. What the heck? The cute little babies. Look at there. They're all coming up. Not all of them, but almost all of them. Anyways, beautiful day. I'm probably not going to go for the next 2 days because it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain for the next 2 days. So, yeah, that's it. All right, thank you for watching. Sorry it's so drawn out, but it's all I got right now, considering the weather and stuff that's going on in the world. All right, bye-bye. Well, I almost forgot to mention, but big shout out to all 3 of you people who sent me a birthday card. Brian, thank you. Thank you for the, you know what. This one was Stacy? No. Richard and Laura. They sent me this one. Also, a big thank you. And also, Stacy. She sent me one, and thank you too. There's my P.O. box if you haven't looked it below in the whatchamacallit description. I usually put it in there. But there it is. Anyways, thank you guys. I appreciate it. I love all of you. You don't have to do that. You don't have to send stuff, and you do, and that's awesome. Thank you very much. That was a pretty good birthday. I had 3 more cards than I normally would have had, which was kind of nice. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.